Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Carol Annette from Toby Nails, and I wanted to just record a video on some tips and tricks and things I picked up along the way while using Builder Gel that I think you guys could really benefit from. So I made a video, put them all in a video, and I want to share them with you guys. The first one applies to any nail product that you put on your nails. You want to cleanse your nail plate. I use rubbing alcohol. I don't have a dehydrator, so at the very least use rubbing alcohol to cleanse your nail plate. Secondly, if you have issues with popping off or lifting, Protein Bond from Young Nails is going to be your best friend. I experience lifting with gel base alone on my nails, so what I do is I add 2 layers of Protein Bond onto my nail plate before I go into my gel base and Builder Gel service, and then this stuff is literally liquid gold. I don't experience any lifting at all when I'm using this stuff. It is literally amazing. So if you have struggles, buy this. Next thing, you want to apply a nice thin layer of gel base onto your nails. You don't have to do a really thick layer, so make sure when you're working with gel, you're doing nice, thin, even layers. This next tip kind of only applies if you're using nail forms, and specifically the Triple D nail forms, because I can't speak on every other nail form out there because they're all shaped differently. So when you're using your nail forms, you want to make sure that the nail form free edge part is flush with the bottom of your nail. So you don't want there to be any gaps because your Builder Gel can get underneath the nail form and it gets really messy and it's harder to fix that. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure there is a nice straight line going from your nail bed all the way out to the end of the form. So you'll notice here that my nail bed is flush with the nail form and there's no gaps. There's also a perforated edge here on the nail forms, so if the form is making your hand uncomfortable, you can cut that off. Or if you need a place to balance your hand, you can balance the little lip here on any of your fingers and you will have a place to stabilize your nail while you apply your Builder Gel. This next tip is how to pick up the Builder Gel with your brush, and it's just to help you have a more fluid way of picking it up. So you want to glide the brush across the surface of the Builder Gel, not dunking it in, and tap the string on the edge of the jar in order to break off the string. So I'm going to do this one more time for you guys to see it, where you glide the brush across the surface. This is better than just dunking your brush into the gel and trying to get Builder Gel on both sides. You're really only going to use one side of the brush to apply the Builder Gel. This Builder Gel is self-leveling, so if you do not have a super steady hand and you don't create a nice seamless layer of Builder Gel on your nail, all you have to do is flip your nail over for 10 to 30 seconds and let the Builder Gel self-level itself, and then when you flip it back over, it's going to be nice and smooth. After you flip it over, you can pop it in your nail lamp or you can continue building on top of it. It's really your choice. And for my final tip and trick, it's how to clean off your brush or any of the tools that you use Builder Gel on. It is with rubbing alcohol. So if you use 70% isopropyl alcohol, gently rub your nail brush with rubbing alcohol to get off any excess parts of Builder Gel off of the tools that you're using. It'll also help you get Builder Gel off of your skin if you by any chance get it on your skin. Alright, those are all the Builder Gel tips and tricks I have for you guys today. If you have any other awesome tips and tricks that you'd like to share with the audience in the comments, please leave a comment below. We would love to hear what you have to say or what you think about Builder Gel. Anyways, make sure to subscribe and we'll see you guys in the next video.